The real price of your kitchen might be higher than you think. Every year, millions of trees disappear to meet the demand for wooden interiors. In fact, nearly 8 million trees are cut annually just to supply wood for the interior industry. The beautiful wooden kitchen you love may have once been part of a forest, but the story doesn't end there. Wooden kitchens crack, they warp with moisture, they fade with time, and they invite pests and termites. What looked perfect on day one slowly becomes a maintenance nightmare. What if your kitchen could be stronger, longer lasting, maintainable, renewable, enduring, and better for the planet? Tusker arrived with a promise, a smarter alternative: stainless steel kitchens, designed to protect your home and our planet. Steel is one of the most recycled materials in the world. In 2024 alone, India used over 28 million tons of recycled steel, reducing dependence on natural resources and supporting a more sustainable future. Tusker's innovative steel kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, and vanities eliminate the problems of traditional wood completely. They are resistant to pests and termites, unaffected by moisture, exceptionally strong superior in screw holding capacity, built for long-lasting durability with minimal maintenance. A kitchen that stays beautiful for years, and a choice that's better for the environment. Tusker's innovations don't just improve your kitchen, they eliminate the pain of traditional interiors. Tusker Stainless Steel Kitchens. Strong for your home, responsible for our planet. Are you contributing to the future of the planet or just consuming it? Choose Tusker. Create a better future.